everybody, today we're going to do 4 coasters. I got a new mold set from Amazon. They're like a flower shape. I mixed it with the Resiners mixer. Once I remove it from there and the paddles, I take a stick and I thoroughly go around all the edges and make sure that's really mixed in well. I'm going to clear the mixing time and then I'm going to hit start and I'm going to just time it to give you an idea of the timing on this. And I'm also going to check the temperature, but I'm going to let it heat up to over 100 degrees before I even start. And I do not know how much resin these take. I've mixed 10 ounces. And we're going to see how much that fills up the coaster. It might be too much. I'm not sure. It's got a little lip around the edge of it. And so that will take some resin and then, you know, this layer here. So I'm just not really sure. It's inside of a Resiners curing tray. When I'm finished, I'll cover it with the cover and do the fast curing machine that speeds up the curing time. And my plan is to do 2 layers and we'll see how that goes. I'm also using a new white resin paste by GR Easy Plus from Amazon. I'm going to give it a try. It's a little tube, which is interesting. I'll come back and we'll go from there. I'm not going to talk. I'll just let you know as I go what I'm doing because I'll have my mask on. Okay, I am going to talk before I proceed. I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that I'm using J Diction Super Yellow Resistant Crafting Epoxy made from molds. Got it on Amazon. Got my piping bag ready for my white. It's been about 39 minutes. Have not used this mold before, so I've got to get used to it. I don't know if I mentioned I used octopus, alcohol ink fluid, berry juice, and Lett's resin yellow alcohol inks. Again, I used 2 drops of this. You just kind of let it fall into your cup, and it looks like it's blooming pretty well. I probably got a little blobby in places, so hopefully it'll not all sink to the bottom. I'm going to use my new Resiners curing machine. It's plugged in and you just place it over the top. Power on. It is set for 2 hours, so I will come back. It also has a flat, a tall, and a UV. As far as the way the underside is, so if you have like a tall piece, these are flat, so you have plenty of room. But you can also turn the tray different ways. We're going to give it a shot for 2 hours and come back and see if it's ready to do the next layer. Okay, it's been through the curing machine the second time for a few hours. Time to unmold. Alright, so there they are. I'll show pictures outside in the sunlight so you can see them better. There's a few bubbles, but I don't mind it. I'm not mad at it. They're pretty, and I hope you learned something in this video. Get you a curing machine. It is well worth it. It really saves on the time. You can do 4 smaller coasters in here. You can't do larger than 4 inches. 5 inches does not fit, and it does take deeper molds. And you can also turn the tray over and use it this way. It has a mat that you can pull out, and the resin comes off of it and the pieces come out. So, and you always make sure it's nice and level when you're creating your pieces. But it's really wonderful. I am so happy I tried it out, and I definitely recommend getting you one. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.